Hello everyone, welcome to my project walkthrough on the India housing market data analysis and interactive dashboard built using Python, Google Colab, Plotly and Streamlit. This project demonstrates end-to-end data analytics from raw CSV data to insights and deployment web dashboard, making it ideal for real estate analytics, investment research and data-driven decision making. In this project, I analyzed real housing data from India, focusing on price behavior across cities, impact of amenities like schools and hospitals, variations in price per square feet, influence of BHK, property type, parking, locality, and availability status. The project consists of data loading and pre-processing, KPI generation, exploratory data analysis, business insights extraction, building an interactive Streamlit dashboard, hosting it online using ngrok. Let's break down the project into its technical components. So first of all, in the first step, what we have done is installing the dependencies. I have began by installing Plotly and IPy widgets to support advanced interactive visualizations inside Google Colab. In the next step, I have done the data upload and exploration. So here I have uploaded the housing dataset directly into Colab using the uploaded equals to files.upload, df equals to pd.read underscore csv in the bracket file name. This gave us the raw structure, columns like city, locality, BHK, price in lakhs, size in square feet, schools, hospitals, property type and more. In the next step, I have done the data cleaning. I cleaned the dataset by removing duplicates, handling missing values and converting numerical fields. The clean dataset was later saved directly by Streamlit. In the next step, I have created the KPI dashboard. I calculated 3 essential matrices that summarizes the dataset: total number of properties, average price in lakhs, average size in square feet. Using Plotly indicator objects, I have built KPI widgets that displayed these values dynamically. In the next step, I have done the EDA or the exploratory data analysis. This forms the analytical core of the project, where I have generated 14 powerful visualizations like the price versus the size, average price per city, BHK distribution, price histogram, correlation heat map, price variation by property type, price per square feet across cities, top 10 coolest localities, nearby schools versus price per square feet, nearby hospitals versus pricing, furnishing status analysis, door number versus pricing, parking space versus pricing, availability status pie chart. Each visualization reveals a unique perspective on pricing behavior in the Indian real estate market. So in the next step, I have built the Streamlit dashboard. I have converted all insights into a beautiful interactive dashboard using the Streamlit. The dashboard includes datasets, preview, KPIs and all major EDA charts with interactivity. Next step, I have done the deployment using the ngrok. Finally, I have hosted the dashboard using the ngrok inside the Colab, giving us a public URL to access the app. So this is the public URL to access the app. So as soon as I click on this, the Streamlit app opens. Here you can see the filter section in the left hand side. At the top you can see the title. Here you can see that the clean dataset has been loaded from the Colab storage. Filters have been applied showing 250,000 properties. This is the filtered dataset preview. So it gives us a preview of 5 dataset. Here is the KPIs that I have used. Here are the visualizations. Now let us talk about the business insights and feedback. But before that, let me just show you that the visualizations and the dataset and the KPIs change according to the filters applied. So for example, let me set the city to Kolkata. So all the data has been changed. Like you can see here, the state has changed to West Bengal, city to Kolkata. The KPIs has changed, the visualization has changed. So it changes according to the filters. So now let us talk about the business insights and the feedback. This section highlights what the analysis reveals from real business perspective. So the first insight that we can see, the city level pricing insight. Here we can understand that some cities command significantly higher average prices. This helps investors identify premium regions and emerging hotspots. Next we have the price per square feet variability. A city with high total prices doesn't always have high price per square feet, showing value pockets where buyers get better deals. Next what we have is the locality level insight. Top 10 expensive localities show high demand zones, helping for developers planning new projects. Next we can understand is the amenity influence. Areas with more nearby schools usually have higher price per square feet performance. Proximity to hospitals also correlates with pricing premium, creating safety and convenience value in urban market. Next insight is the furnished and unfurnished. The furnished properties consistently outperform unfurnished ones, indicating a customer preference for ready-to-move-in house. Parking influence. Properties with multiple parking space show noticeably higher valuation. Critical insight for urban inventory planning. Next insight we can see is the property type. Villas and dependent houses show wider price variance, whereas apartments follow more stable pricing bands. Next insight we have is the supply side insight. The availability status distribution helps understand inventory flow, whether most properties are ready to move in or under construction. So the business feedback for this project will be, if presented to a real estate company or client, the dashboard offers better market segment, data-backed investment decisions, locality ranking for targeted marketing, amenity-based pricing strategy, strategic planning for developers. The entire analysis ties customer preferences to locality behavior to pricing intelligence. Thank you for watching this project walkthrough.